Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Connie. We are starting the afternoon off with a cup of iced coffee, and I'm hoping to find some ambition in there because I just didn't have any this morning. But I need to get some things done. We are going to the movies in the next couple of days, and I can't relax and enjoy my day when I know that there's things that need to be done around the house. So, if you have something to do, go ahead and get up and join me in cleaning. Otherwise, just sit back and relax. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and the notification bell for any time I upload videos. Also, if you're doing something interesting on the day that you're watching this, let me know. I'd love to see the comments. Okay, we're starting in the bathroom, and I have been wanting to change out my shower curtains since the beginning of spring and just haven't found the time to do it. So I decided today's better than no day. Better late than never, as they always say, right? Just wanted to lighten up the bathroom and something different to look at. Here I'm just wiping down the counters and the sink with my disinfectant wipes. I like to do this every day in between my deep cleanings. Now it's time to do some laundry. If you didn't see my last video, I did a whole laundry room makeover. It is way different than what it used to be. I will link it down below if you're interested in going back and watching it. Alright, it's time to put some clothes away that's been sitting in that basket for a while. Okay, here I am sweeping off the back deck. It will be refinished this summer. It needs to be restained and protected, and we also have to spray off the back of the house because it's got fungus on it because it doesn't get that much sun back there. So that all needs to be sprayed off, but I need to wait until my husband is home to do that so he can get the power washer out and we can take care of that. So I'm just getting the worst of it up right now. I'm trying to determine where to put this table. I just don't have the space for it anymore. I had it where my garden bed is now, but I moved it over here thinking there would be enough space down there, and there's really not because of the air conditioner. So I don't know what I'm going to end up doing with it. I may end up just having to get rid of it. Alright, so I made it work. I just brought the table up here, which I didn't think it was going to fit. And then I put the chair that was over here, over there. And then there was a chair in the corner that I brought over here. And then I took the chair that my husband actually likes to sit in from the garage and brought it out here. I just need to get a seat cover to match it, like mine. So that way we have our matching chairs. And then if we decide that we want to dine out at night or whatever, we could just pull that table up and we could pull this other chair over there. And then we'd be able to sit outside and eat. This here, this basket thing, was a garage sale find, and I didn't know where I wanted to use it. And I decided I was going to use it out here. And then on the inside, let's see if I can show you, we got that light from Family Dollar for $3. So at night, it will light up. When I have something in my mind that I want, I am bound and determined to make it work. So I think this is going to work for now. Essentially, I would like to get a bistro set. That would fit so much better right there. But until that day comes, I think I'll live with this and see how I like it. Tell me what you guys think. This deck is not big, so there's not a whole lot of space. I'm like on the edge right now of the steps. So this is all the bigger it is. And you might be asking why we have so many chairs on here. Honestly, I don't know. The cats like to sit in one of them. That was why we had 3 of them up here originally. But like I said, if we decide to sit out here for dinner, we can pull this chair up. So, yep, that's what I come up with. What do you guys think? Okay, y'all, I need to color my hair. It's time to wash that gray right out of my hair. Tell me if you're old enough to remember that. I have the L'Oreal Paris Excellence Cream in dark brown. So it's supposed to cover gray. So it's been a while since I colored my hair, so it's past time. be back when it's done. Okay, y'all, there you go. It's definitely darker than what it was, but I like it. I don't think I like that L'Oreal Paris because it makes my hair feel dry, but nothing that conditioner won't fix. But as far as the coloring did, I think it did pretty good. So at least it's better than what it was. It's been a while since I've colored it, so I refuse to grow old fast. I will fight it every step of the way. All right, that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.